In this notebook, we'll demonstrate kinds of non-standard charts that you can do using Brunel. And we'll show this using data from the US states. So first again, we'll take a look at the data, the fields that are in the data, and we'll execute some Brunel. Let's first start off with a bubble chart, since those are often fun, that shows the each state is sized by its population and its color is corresponding to who they voted for in the presidential election. And now notice we can group this by region by simply adding another field to it, since there are states within regions here. Now these are now divided by their regions across the United States. Now notice that this is actually quite similar to the structure of a tree map, which is an important aspect of Brunel, that all of the actions are relatively orthogonal to each other, and simply by changing bubble to tree map, we can now see how that data looks in a tree map. And finally, changing it to a cloud gives you a tag cloud, we'll see in a second here, of, again, it's the state names sized by their population and still colored by who they voted for in the election. Next, we can use Brunel to draw a map of this data. This field have a field with a state name in it, so Brunel can recognize that with a map action and draw a map colored by presidential choice. And of course, we can use all the other actions as well. So for example, we can use opacity and apply those to the values of the populations in this map. And we see the results.